Max notices a raven watching him. The raven drops a coin, testing Max's attention. Max kneels, placing the coin on a vending machine slot. The machine whirs, a shiny key clatters into the tray. Rook hops closer, eyeing the key expectantly. Max unlocks a crate. A bright red marble appears. Rook presents a bent ring, nudging it toward Max. Max rolls the marble. It stops before Rook's feet. Rook accepts the trade, gripping the marble delicately. The bent ring fits a hidden latch beside the hatch. Gears slide. The hatch lifts to a small, glowing cache. Max looks to Rook, grateful. Rook nods and prepares to fly.